Bismillahirrahmanirrahim. We are going to start question number 5 of exercise 2.2 class 11 maths, in which we are given the condition x square minus 4x minus 5i equals 0. We have to prove the left hand side equal to the right hand side, in which we are given the matrix x. X is of the order 3 cross 3. The rows are 3 and the columns are also 3. So we are going to use the identity matrix of the same order 3 by 3. So first of all, we are going to multiply x with x, and then minus 4 with x, and then minus 5 with identity matrix. So x with x, we are going to copy the matrix x over here from the question. So we get 1 2 2 2 1 2 and 2 2 1. Again x over here and over here also. So we get this, and then with minus 5 we have to multiply 3 by 3 identity matrix. For this we have to write 1 in the diagonal, and for the non-diagonal entries we have to write 0. Okay, zeros, so many zeros, you see. Okay, now we have to multiply these two x matrices together. So we get, now how are we going to multiply these two matrices? The first row with the first column for the first entry, then comes the second entry, first column with second row and first column, because it is the second row and the first column now. So we are going to use the second row and the first column of the second matrix. Then it is, this one is third row and first column, so third row over here, and then multiplied with the first column. Then comes this entry. For this entry we have to multiply first row. This is, you know, first row and second column, so first row and second column. Then comes this entry, the second row with second column of the second matrix, and then this entry, last row, the third row with second column now, so the last row with second column. Then for this we have to do the same. So for first one we are going to write it as 1 multiplied by this one multiplied by this one plus 2, this 2 multiplied with this 2, and then this 2 multiplied with this 2. For the second entry we have to multiply this with this column, so we get 2 into 1 plus 1 into 2 plus 2 into 2. 2 into 1 plus 1 into 2 plus 2 into 2. Then the third row with the first column, so we get 2 into 1 plus 2 into 2 plus 1 into 2. Then we have to, for this we have to multiply this first row with the second column, so first row with second column. So we get 1 into 2 plus 2, this 2 into this one into 1 plus this 2 multiplied with this 2. Then for this entry we have to multiply the second row with the second column, second row with second column. So 2 1 2 multiplied with 2 1 2, we get 2 into 2 plus 1 into 1 plus 2 into 2. Then the third row with second column, so we get 2 into 2 plus 2 into 1 plus 1 into 2. Now we are going to look towards this column. So for this we get the first row with the third column, 1 into 2 plus 2 into 2 plus 2 into 1. 1 2 2 and 2 2 1. 1 2 2 and 2 2 1. Now we get 2 1 2 multiplied with 2 2 1. So we get 2 into 2 plus 1 into 2 plus 2 into 1. Then we get this 2 to 1 multiplied with 2 to 1. So we get 2 into 2 plus 2 into 2 plus 1 into 1. Now minus 4 multiplied with this term, so we get minus into 4 into 1. We are going to multiply just 4 with all of these entries. 4 into 2, 4 into 2, 4 into 2, 4 into 1. Again 4 into 2, 4 into 2, 4 into 2 and 4 into 1. Now we are going to write a minus sign with 5 multiplied with this identity matrix. So we get here, so we get 5 into 1. Now 5 into 0 gives us 0, again 0, here again 0, 5 into 1, 0, 0, 0 and 5 into 1. After calculating this term we get 9. After calculating this term we get 4 plus 2 plus 2, we get 8, and then here again 4 plus 2 plus 2, again 8, Here again we get 4 plus 2 plus 2, 8. Now 2 plus 2, 4 plus 4 we get 8 plus 1 is 9. 4 plus 2 plus 2 we get 8. Here again 4 plus 2 plus 2 we get 8. 4 plus 2 plus 2 and we get 8, and here again 4 plus 4 plus 1 we get 9. Minus, subtracting this matrix. Okay, 4 into 1 gives us 4. Here we are again going to write 4 into 2 gives us 8. Again 8. Then this also makes 8. This makes 4. 8, 4. Then we are going to get 8. Then 8, 8 and 4. Subtracting another matrix. So here we get it is very simple: 5 0 0 0 5 0 and 0 0 5. Now we are going to add these two matrices from this matrix, so we get equals to, we should write it over here. Okay, first of all this 9, this 9, and then we are going to subtract 4 and then subtract 5. So minus 4 minus 5. Now 8 minus 8 minus 0. 8 minus 8 minus 0. 8 minus 8 minus 0. Now the first row, second column, first row, second column, and first row, second column. We are going to subtract 8 with 8 and then 0. So we get 8 minus 8 minus 0. Then we are going to get 9 minus 4 minus 5. 9 minus 4 minus 5. 8 minus 8 minus 0. Then we get 8 minus 8 minus 0. Again 8 minus 8 minus 0. And 9 minus 4 minus 5. So we get 9 minus 4 minus 5. You can subtract all of these terms. We get all zeros here in this matrix, in the resulting matrix. And when there are all zeros, you can also write it as 0, and which is equal to the right hand side. You can see it from here that the right hand side was 0. So this is equal to your right hand side. We are going to write it over here. It is equal to right hand side. And when we have started from the left hand side, you can see we have started from the left hand side and we have come to a solution that this right hand side is equal to it. So we get left hand side equal to right hand side proved. Thank you so much.